Welcome to this video tutorial. I am Mrs. K. Anbuselvi, Associate Professor of Computer Science, V.V. Vanniyaperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss some points about how to adjust row height and column width in Excel. And then we will discuss specifically how to adjust column width in Excel. That is, how to set the row height and column width in Excel. By default, when we create a new workbook, the row height and column width is always the same for all cells. However, we can easily change the height and width for one or more rows and columns. The default row height for all the rows is 15 with the default font of Calibri and default font size of 11 points. The default column width for all the columns is 8.43. We can adjust the width or height in Excel in an easiest manner. This can be done using the ribbon option or the mouse option. Now we will discuss about how to adjust the column width in Excel using ribbon option. To adjust, that is to modify a single column, select any cell from the column to be adjusted. To adjust multiple non-contiguous columns, press Ctrl and select cells from each column to be adjusted. From the ribbon, select the Home Command tab. In the Cells group, click Format. In the Cell Size section, select Column Width. The Column Width dialog box appears. In the column width text box, type the desired width. Now click OK. The column width is adjusted successfully. To adjust a column or multiple columns using mouse option, move your mouse over a column heading until it turns into a down arrow. To select more than one column, click on the first column heading you want to select and drag left to right to select contiguous columns. If the columns you want to select are not contiguous, click the first column heading and then press Ctrl and click on the headings for the other columns you want to select. After selecting the columns, one method for adjusting the column width using mouse option is right click on any selected column and select column width from the pop-up menu. Enter a new value for the column width for the selected columns on the column width dialog box and click OK. Another method for adjusting column width using mouse option is along the column heading, that is A, B, C, point to the column border, and when the pointer turns into a double arrow, click and drag left or right to adjust the column width. When the column reaches the desired width, release the mouse button. Now the column width is adjusted successfully. Now we can see about how to adjust the rows and columns using Auto Fit option. Excel can determine the best width and height based on the information in the column or row using Auto Fit. that is using the ribbon option or the mouse option. Adjusting the row height using the ribbon option and also using the auto fit. To adjust, that is to modify a single row, select any cell from the row to be adjusted. To adjust multiple non-contiguous rows, press Ctrl and select cells from each row to be adjusted. From the ribbon, select the Home command tab. In the Cells group, click Format. In the Cell Size section, select Auto Fit Row Height. The row height adjusts so the tallest item in the row is displayed in full. Now we will see about how to adjust the row height using mouse option for auto fit. Along the row ID, that is 1, 2, 3, etc., point to the border below to the row to be adjusted. When the pointer turns into a double arrow, double click. The row height adjusts so the tallest item in the row is displayed in full. Now we will see how to adjust the column width using auto fit. In order to adjust the column width using auto fit and also using the ribbon option, first select the cell from the column to be adjusted. To adjust multiple non-contiguous columns, press Ctrl and select cells from each column to be adjusted. From the ribbon, select the Home command tab. In the Cells group, click Format. In the Cell Size section, select Auto Fit Column Width. The column width adjusts so the widest item in the column is displayed in full. Adjusting the column width for auto fit using the mouse option along the column ID. Example, that is A, B, C, point to the border right to the column to be adjusted. When the pointer turns into a double arrow, double click. The column width adjusts so the widest item in the column is displayed in full. Thank you.